Hello friends, I am Dr. Sharda Kushana Phule, Mahatma Phule, Phule Arts Commerce and Sitaramji Chaudhary Science College, Varud. I am from Botany Department, Assistant Professor from Varud College. Today I am deal with the one piece of work for climate change and the effect of pollution on plants. Abstract for my paper is climate change and pollution affects the animals as well as human beings. Capacity it has the capacity to destruct the earth. A change in climate damages microorganisms, affecting the plants, causing them to grow back black and kill them. The plants play an important role in the maintaining to the balance of the environment. There is a great connection between climate and the pollution. If that equilibrium collapse, the after effects are very hazardous. Due to the increase in the pollution, the ozone layer in the atmosphere, which saves us from the hazardous, then ultraviolet rays of the sun is badly affected, and we are facing its consequences. Any kind of pollution may be it may be air, water, sound, or radioactive pollution. It always has the long lasting ill effect on the plants and the animal and the human being also. In short, the survival comes in danger. However, which is proper planning, we can eliminate these effects. The facilities such as the annual weather forecast could be a great help to proper planning. Then, introduction. The earth temperature had risen several times before. The evidences of this can be found in the ice sheet of the Antarctica. Why? Because the warming of that time was due to the purely natural causes, and at that time the earth atmosphere was undergoing a radical change. The current warming is entirely man-made, and it is mainly caused by the greenhouse effect and the under recognized deforestation. Plants are very useful to us, and they absorb carbon dioxide and in turn release oxygen, which is very much essential for survival of the living organism. But day by day, the changes occurring in the environment are thought provoking. Indeed, the global situation is alarming and is becoming serious day by day, and it is all due to the man and its development. Then study area of my paper is here. Nagpur city is taken as a case study. Nagpur is one of the big city, but day by day pollution and the high temperature are becoming crisis. Some of the spot in Nagpur city have been selected, and the climatic parameters of this spot were studied. A pilot study of the selected points was carried out in consideration with the climate of the city, rainfall, temperature, humidity, and the air quality index, maintaining the green zones like the gardens and the roadside plants. The following figure show that air quality index of the Nagpur after lockdown. Then the figure you show here the Nagpur city before lockdown and Nagpur city after lockdown. The see the difference between the four image. The first is the before lockdown means air pollution, air pollution, air gas, greenhouse effect, all that are happened, and the atmospheric changes you see in your eyes. Then Nagpur city is after lockdown, the clean city and the green city. It is the more difference between the four images. Then objective. study of climate and pollution first object, दूसरा increase of vegetation growth, then method I use the environmental friendly industrial development to increase forestation by the stopping deforestation, plantation drives to prevent climate change, preventing the greenhouse gas emission, then use of remote sensing for monitoring the assessment of the climate change. Then I discuss discussion in the effects of climate change and pollution on the plants, animals, and human around us. The devastating the climate change firstly damages the microorganism, later affecting the plants and causing them to grow black. It is also has the bad effect on the human being. The greenhouse gas emission such as the carbon dioxide, methane gas, nitrous gas oxide then contribute to global warming and climate change. The increasing level of the carbon dioxide and its allied gases result into the rise in the atmospheric temperature, thus resulting in the melting glaciers and the vast amount of the ice on the both Arctic and the Antarctic region. In result of the sea level increases and the land undergoes the sea water. In future, many cities on the seashore are threatened to the submerge in the water. Carbon dioxide, according mm, to this, the 60% greenhouse gases released in India most of come from the energy sector burning fossil fuel such as the coal, oil, natural gas and generating electricity and heat for commercial and the residential properties then makes to big contribution. Then in last conclusion of this topic is the in every cloud has a silver lining. It can be seen that during the running coronavirus crisis, the whole world is facing the situation of the lockdown, and this has the resulted in decreasing the proportion of the pollution. The air quality index in many cities worldwide has seen the drastic improvement, and the water pollution level of many rivers has improved due to the decrease in air pollution in the whole in the ozone layer is divinizing, but this is not the solution of the overcome this issue. Man should learn from this lesson. The nature doesn't tolerate much interference. It always balance itself and always will rising pollution as well as the other factors has created a major crisis of the climate change, and this change is having a detrimental effect of the many areas. The adverse effect of the agriculture as well as the forest vegetation are matter for the serious consideration. Flora and fauna are correlated. Therefore, measure must be taken from the now on the deal with this crisis. Therefore, emphasis should be laid on the production of the varieties that can uh, with with us and the changing climate and produce more, the remote sensing should be accredited. Is it sense?